Mean deviation for grouped data. We know that data can be grouped into two ways. First one is discrete frequency distribution. Second one is continuous frequency distribution. Coming to the first one, that is discrete frequency distribution. Let the given data consist of n distinct values x1, x2, x3, dash 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 xn occurring with frequencies f1, f2, f3, dash 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 fn respectively. This data can be represented in the tabular form as given below and is called discrete frequency distribution. From the table, it is clear that F1 represents how many times observation x1 occurred in the given data. F2 represents how many times x2 occurred in the given data. F3 represents how many times observation x3 occurred in the given data. Dash dash dash. Fn represents how many times observation xn occurred in the given data. Mean deviation about mean. Formula to find mean deviation about mean is equal to mean deviation about x bar is equal to sigma fi into absolute values of xi minus x bar I is equal to from 1 to n whole divided by sigma fi I is equal to from 1 to n is equal to 1 by capital letter N into sigma fi into absolute values of xi minus x bar I is equal to from 1 to n, where x bar is equal to, that is mean, 1 by n into sigma fi into xi I is equal to from 1 to n, and capital letter N represents sum of all frequencies, that is sigma fi I is equal to from 1 to n. Mean deviation about median, that is mean deviation about median is equal to 1 by n into sigma fi into absolute values of xi minus m I is equal to from 1 to n, where m is the median of the given data. Exercise 15.1, question number 5. Find the mean deviation from the mean for the following data. Xi, that is observations, 5, 10, 15, 20, 25, and corresponding frequencies are 7, 4, 6, 3, 5. Solution. Let us take the given observations xi and corresponding frequencies fi. What about the sum of frequencies, that is denoted by capital letter N, that is sigma fi I is equal to from 1 to 5. What is the sum? 25. Let us go to the next column, that is FIXI. 5 into 7, 35. 10 into 4, 40. 15 into 6, 90. 20 into 3, 60. 25 into 5, 125. This sum of FIXI is sigma FIXI I is equal to from 1 to 5 is equal to 350. Therefore, mean of observations x bar is equal to 1 by n into summation of FIXI I is equal to from 1 to 5 is equal to 350 divided by 25 is equal to 14. Next column is for absolute values of xi minus x bar. Yes, xi is 5, x bar is 14. Therefore, absolute value of 5 and minus 14 is 9. Absolute value of 10 minus 14 is 4. Absolute value of 15 minus 14 is equal to 1. Absolute value of 20 minus 14 is equal to 6. Absolute value of 25 minus 14 is equal to 11. Next, we have to get Fi into absolute values of xi minus x bar. 7 into 9, 63. 4 into 4, 16. 6 into 1, 6. 3 into 6, 18. 11 into 5, 55. So, sum of all Fi into absolute values of xi minus x bar is equal to 158. Therefore, mean deviation about mean is equal to 1 by n into sigma Fi into absolute values of xi minus x bar, that is equal to 158 divided by 25 is equal to, yes, what is the simplification? 6.32. Seventh question. Find the mean deviation about the median for the following data. What about the observations? 5, 7, 9, 10, 12, 15. Corresponding frequencies are 8, 6, 2, 2, 2, 6. Solution. Let us take given observations and corresponding frequencies. What about n? That is sum of all frequencies. 26. 26 is a even number. So we are going to have two observations in the middle. Before going to decide median, let us take one more column, that is for cumulative frequencies. We can denote it by CF. First we can write 8 as it is. 8 plus 6, 14. 14 plus 2, 16. 16 plus 2, 18. 18 plus 2, 20. 20 plus 6, 26. When number of observations are even, therefore median is the mean of n by 2th and n by 2 plus 1th observations. That is mean of 26 by 2th and 26 by 2 plus 1th observations. That is mean of 13th and 14th observations. Both these observations, that is 13th and 14th observations, lie in the cumulative frequency 14. Therefore, corresponding to that cumulative frequency 14, observation is 7. When two values are lying in the middle, so we supposed to take 7 two times. Average of 7 and 7, that is 14 by 2 is equal to 7 is the median. After calculating median, let us go to the next column, that is absolute values of xi minus m, that is median. Five minus 7. What about the absolute value of 5 minus 7? 2. Absolute value of 7 minus 7? 0. Absolute value of 9 minus 7? 2. Absolute value of 10 minus 7? 3. Absolute value of 12 minus 7? 5. Absolute value of 15 minus 7, 8. Let us go to the next column, that is Fi into absolute values of xi minus m, that is xi minus median. 8 into 2, 16. 6 into 0, 0. 2 into 2, 4. 2 into 3, 6. 2 into 5, 10. 6 into 8, 48. Sum of all these numbers, that is sigma Fi into absolute values of xi minus m, that is median, is equal to 84. Therefore, mean deviation about median is equal to 1 by capital letter N into sigma Fi into absolute values of xi minus m, that is median, is equal to 84 divided by 26. Yes, what is the simplification? That is 3.23. Eighth question. Find the mean deviation about the median for the following data. Observations are 15, 21, 27, 30, 35. Corresponding frequencies are 3, 5, 6, 7, 8. Solution. Let us take the given data. What about n, that is sum of frequencies? 29, that is odd, so we are going to get only one value in the middle. Let us take cumulative frequencies. CF 3, 3 plus 5, 8, 8 plus 6, 14, 14 plus 7, 21, 21 plus 8, 29. So, when number of observations are odd, median is n plus 1 by 2th observation. That is 29 plus 1 divided by 2th observation. That is 15th observation. Where do you find 15th observation? In cumulative frequency 21, we will find a middle observation corresponding to cumulative frequency. What is xi? 30. Therefore, median is 30. After finding median, let us go to the next column, absolute values of xi minus m, that is median. Absolute value of 15 minus 30, 15. Absolute value of 21 minus 30, 9. Absolute value of 27 minus 30, 3. Absolute value of 30 minus 30, 0. Absolute value of 35 minus 30, 5. Next column is Fi into absolute values of xi minus m. 15 into 3 or 3 into 15 is equal to 45. 5 into 9, 45. 6 into 3, 18. 7 into 0, 0. 8 into 5, 40. Sum of all these values, that is sigma Fi into absolute values of xi minus m, is equal to, yes, what about the sum? 148. Therefore, mean deviation about median is equal to 1 by n into sigma fi into absolute values of xi minus median, or m you can write, is equal to 148 divided by 29. Yes, what is the simplification? That is 5.1.